In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this cool effect in Photoshop. First, import your image into Photoshop and resize it as needed. Now select the text tool and type the word banana. Switch to the move tool and position the text where you want it. Resize the text if needed by pressing Ctrl+T and adjusting the size. Next, right-click on the text layer and choose Warp Text. From the Warp presets, select Arc Lower. Adjust the warp to fit the shape of the banana image. Now, with the Move tool, duplicate the image layer by dragging it down to the new layer icon. Hide the original image layer by clicking the eye icon next to it. Select your text layer and Ctrl+left click on the text thumbnail to create a selection. Then select the duplicated image layer below and click on Add Layer Mask. Press Ctrl+I to invert the mask. Now hide the text layer by clicking the eye icon. Click back on the layer mask of the image and press Ctrl+I again to invert it one more time. Reveal the original image layer by clicking the eye icon and add a layer mask to it as well. Again, press Ctrl+I to invert the mask. Select the brush tool and make sure your foreground color is set to white. With the black layer mask selected, start painting with the brush to reveal the banana image underneath. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.